So if you look on the back of the charger, you can see there are 2 ports here. So each one of these is its own charging unit. And if you plug both of them into the wall with the standard cords that come with the charger, you are going to get 110 volts or 120 to this input and 120 to this input at the same time. That is not going to give you a fast charge. That is going to be a slow charge. So how do you get faster? Well, most of the people are using a cable like this. It's got a 220 volt plug, but then the minute it goes down into these 3-prong receptacles, you are down to 110 again, or 120. You are not going to get a fast charge using a cord like this. So instead, what you have to do is get rid of these guys and get the fast charge cable from Avery Drone. So this is the fast charge cable right here. And the way the fast charge cable works is it's got 220 volts right here that are going to plug into your generator. Looks like this guy got a little bent here. Anyway, there we go. 4 prongs that are going to go into your generator, and instead of dropping down to 110, the other side of this cable is 220 directly into the back of the DJI charger. So what you do is simply take this, plug it into the back, take this one, plug it into the back with one hand, which is really tricky. Get rid of these guys, you don't need them. Get rid of this guy, you don't need it. And now you're going to be running 220 volts from your generator directly into the back of both of these. How does the math work out? So you'll notice on the back of this, that says a maximum input voltage of 240 volts and 15 amps. If you multiply those 2 numbers together, you're going to get 3,600 watts. That's 3,600 watts here and 3,600 watts here. If you add those 2 together, that's going to be 7,200 watts. This charger is going to automatically charge as fast as it can. So if you want to get the full 7,200 watts of charging power, you have to get 240 to both of these plugs and be able to run 15 amps into both, which means your cable's got to be able to handle that. So once again, the solution to fast charging is very simple. Get good, clean 240 volt power through the cord going to your generator or to your power charging station here, your intelligent battery station here. And to do that, you need the fast charge cable from averydrone.com.